what's up guys, it's me Umair. So today I want to talk about the build quality. The build quality on the Sony XPERIA XZ2 Premium. I have to say this phone is built like a tank. It uses the Gorilla 5 on the back and front, but at the end of the day this is the silver color. I like the silver over the black color because silver is mostly, it's purely like man colors. The build quality is amazing. I have never seen a better phone than this. At this price point, to be honest with you. Literally, I have never seen a better phone at this price point. The build quality is next level. Again, I'm repeating, the build quality is next level. You can't find a better phone at this price point. Literally, yes. The build quality is next level. As you can see, this thing is built like a tank. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.